big Bulvinaka, we came in the Turanamador Burmanelewa. Aramnaka to all the students tuning in this morning, to all the carrier drivers, LC drivers out there, to all our friends from all the communities in Fiji, all the towns, Kina, VSA Burbura. Hey, Sakali Brukaya. Nian Ranimatabina. Them Sadamika.
Good morning to everyone tuning in this morning.
Nice, man, nice.
And I want to say good morning to
Wanahe,
to Dubs. LT1230.
Yeah.
Nabalib Sarasima Manamataniqua. Namamutal and Roshin Dalana. I met him last week.
Last week.
Wednesday, I went to Corbu.
Right.
He was there in front, and I saw one small girl in front.
Yeah.
One.
Okay. Ngoni bulu na keri ngoni bulu.
Oh, keri bulu.
Yeah.
Robule na tubuna ni shade. Lolo mutu autamandalebu.
Yeah, aruna ka.
Yeah. Ndrebo ni Roshin Dalana. Ndrebo na Namamataniqua.
Okay. Good morning to some people joining now.
Right.
This from Sweet Jamaica.
Yeah.
Sweet Jamaica to Tajim Napana Tina D and Baby D.
People are wondering where is Sweet Jamaica?
Sweet Jamaica is in a place where it's full of sweet.
Where?
Yeah. Na bonua kami da melambasa. To one girl here, Chacha extra Chotivini.
Okay.
Good morning to you and the family, and also to Bianca and baby Bianca. Thank you very much, and also to Sabu Bungali Telebu.
Yeah.
Who is a tangzroa?
Oh, tawala mani.
Oh, to kanda undarami.
Yeah, tangzroa.
Maybe try to
catch me moko. Hey, gas kase sakaya usaya the kubu. From New Zealand, Mel Netherlevel from Brisbane.
Yeah.
Blessed Friday. It's a good Friday. It's a windy Friday. It's a very, very upcoming Friday.
Okay.
And nabunda na mbungi kuwa wekula ni matanishia wa kitabwa. They'll be on the stage for the Fiji Showcase to participate.
Right.
As 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. this afternoon.
Right.
Tamay Don is joining from Nasimi Botkola and the bus Tamay Don. Thank you very much. All stuff for the passengers.
Right.
Joining some people there traffic.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for maintaining discipline through driving.
Wana na. Yeah, bikin na wekanda pa kalichura mata na ngonongo. Ronga take pa sangole mai bir na kalai, bo bimbi bir na kalai.
Right.
So erabo do chumai na nonra gingi.
Don't know that.
Karban gingi taki buli mai. Tare na barra na tanke na barra keludal. So bir satu modi to kar lomo nonra gingi. Turanga itu betul bukan dari susu. Mermaro bina na lubenda na buguni namni ngande chumai na songole bikuwa e bakato kenti ko na Dav Friday.
Tama blekero.
Singai.
That's 1230.
Dav Friday. Nakau da kabongo ke bakau na ngole birto na lingir bingira na Dav. Chukil ndra promotion na singri kuwa na bika keda sarra na bagita bitigo kina na singri binani kuwa sa na raw ni laki mode mbongi tolu na hotel mainandi. Na dono hotel mainandi.
Right.
Na doanga nga una ongan.
Watakay day. Lendo nga si Enra ulang ba't kendo ng patna?
Apa kau?
Oy.
Iyo,
matay na sa animal na ita, si Ribaro tumengo bilbo mesake.
Patay ko kay somoy ko.
So, hindi tao na sinikaw. To everybody joining this afternoon and also to each afternoon from somewhere around the global warming. Good morning to Ons Rocco. And also to the Porrid and Cook squad from Laudala Beach. Not forgetting from Batuanga to also good morning to Wex from Motoriki. And also two Tau from Budi, one in Budi from Toka Toka and another one from Rabo in Telebu joining this morning, and especially to Waibo from Rewa to Ndanu. This is for Ons Rocco for yesterday. Hey, I saw one big cup.
Okay, I heard you train there.
Not 10. We for the welcoming ceremony. Bakamimbilo di Bakambula. Zambulo ni deba.
Oi.
He was taking this cup from him and Lilink on Soroko to Tabuki in Kadabu.
Right.
So he went for the Namalata Sevens last year. They used that cup and they bring it back.
Alright.
Sange kotumo ko ng bilongo.
Sange winta mo ko.
Iyo arawang unukira, so the tabale from there.
Right.
They was clapping.
Who's?
Them.
Okay.
Thank you for taking that cup. That cup is very, very choro.
Anonymous.
Sanda umbuta ko
na murgi.
So they take it. So when they take it, we try yesterday.
Okay.
How
big is the cup?
You know?
How big?
It's like one bathing tub.
Baling tab, baby. Buta-buta rin ka ng boom.
Singa saya bitu nak loko.
Iya.
Ni kuasa ada ciri-ciri kan dua.
Ciri-ciri kan dua.
Our head,
Right.
we can cover our head on this
Lakai salah again.
Iya, like buckethead. Erni umbia kita nonton kamu.
Isanjira.
How big is this cup?
Right.
For welcoming ceremony. And we got another one is a black horse.
Right.
Iya.
And the small one is a chipmunk. He
Oi.
name all the cups.
All the cups, eh?
Iya.
So the biggest one
Iya.
is the Buluni Deva.
Iya.
The smaller than the Buluni Deva is the what?
Black horse.
Black horse.
Alright.
The smallest one is the what?
Chipmunk.
Chipmunk.
How small?
You know what? And I was telling the story, and I
Yeah.
was like this. I will name this small cup.
Right.
This small cup, what's the name? Chipmunk. When I say chipmunk, what is chipmunk? Look like what? I was saying.
Yeah.
It look like a rat.
Right.
Eba kato na rin ni kalabo family together ngai tu the kemayo nga semai budi.
Oi.
Oi.
Because I mentioned the
Man.
the animal.
Yeah.
When I mentioned the animal, he take with ambuloni deva again.
Right.
Iyo.
He trumped me.
Oi.
Ngome sa sila mi tutong.
Donald Trump.
Donald Trump nando bi mana mana.
Yung sa tuta kami when my thing is standing up.
Yeah.
Natabay sa la makasamatak.
Okay, give. I will take it.
Mga orang nguditay.
Ari mo dito na kalambot na kanyan. When I take it below, I was like this.
Yeah.
On the left,
Ah.
I give it to Motorik.
Yeah.
Oi.
We already
egg boy.
we all not Motorik egg boy. This
Oi.
one na Sobuki.
Oh, yeah.
This one another Motorik.
Iyo.
Baru nak Alena.
I give him. I told him we already took three.
Right.
Took three buloni daba.
Right.
So you have to take this one for two, just two.
Iyo.
No three.
Oi.
Yeah.
But
So-
they didn't know
Yeah.
that you from Buluni Deva area.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I took the buloni daba because
Right.
that's our area.
Right.
The area of responsibility.
Right.
The area of accessibility. Na
Yeah.
takin na matao.
Yeah.
The area of metenlinkility.
Right.
Na tobos kina nangone. But the area of lovability.
Wah,
Yeah, nabunin to tom.
Why don't you ask Wulangani
Yeah.
to take them Buluni Deva to Lolambu?
Iyo.
Siya Afrika?
Don.
No, because we got one below there. If two below, they will be engradized. And nabi bubuta kina below.
No, can
Only
be.
one below there,
Yeah.
and another below at home.
Take another one. Make it 3.
Make it three mabala. Boleh bina katu Leli, bungon de Tongo from Tumbalebu na Maratai Lebu,
Right.
Yeah.
and not forgetting na Emma Lailai Tukana,
Yeah.
Tukana o Tani Leli,
Right.
nangoni talang o Tevita Keabuni.
Yeah, right.
Thank you very much for joining this morning to Cornibeli settlement.
Right.
Tumbalebu na Maratai Lebu, meme wangani noko.
Nay, say nay.
Oh, Auntie Nay.
Yeah.
Auntie Nay, thank you very much. So menge wanga noko. One day we will go. Wanga noko meme. Onei. Tu mbuna tini tamana.
Yeah.
Matai kembali suba. Boyul guna kanawore. Sotia sorawatini rambuni. Thank you meme wanga noko.
Right.
Tu auntie tu mami meme.
Yeah.
Mami Eta from
Marimeka.
Marimeka now 671.
Okay, there's another thing I would like to ask. This one because he's a businessman now.
Yeah.
He's selling the Bernadanga.
Right.
The
He's
skirt.
an exporter.
Skirt apa?
Skate relief.
Ya, kau sampai tercira kau nanti nengko na Bernadanga.
Right.
Saya nak kira apa lagi? Saya nak kira apa pertanyaan skirt relief.
Right.
Okay. There are a few techniques of drinking grog.
Malo.
So, santola people will lift the bowl.
Iya.
Uca sargeng ngunu pun yang kona.
Right.
So, lagna ni bol down, pakai sinto na kaya tahu ike.
Iya.
Sinto na tabulin ni. Pondong sun sumari lama.
Right.
Wan ya. So, kira rua, pakame dua, bata.
He said he drank the buloni there about 2 minutes.
2 minutes, belum ni apa?
Okay, so rangunu ba?
One go.
Lagabangko, pakame kumbu tal tu.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I like him.
Because okay, which one is your style?
My style,
Yeah, any style.
any style.
Right.
I drink, I can like the raw water, wine roca,
Yeah.
say ayangona,
Yeah.
juice,
Yeah.
whatever. When I drink like this,
Yeah.
I can drink straight.
So there's
From there, I put in my mouth.
Yeah.
I put in my
there be a
mouth.
stopover.
Yeah, bus stop there.
Yeah.
Like a water stop.
Yeah.
Kumbutu.
Yeah.
Then after that, I swallow slowly. When some people,
okay.
it's very hard when we doing one ceremony.
Alright.
Yeah.
If I am myself a bamete,
Yeah.
ke bamete ti ko mo vengarevoli,
Yeah.
it will be hard because I'll finish from my mouth and clap.
Right.
If you finish from there, I will hold like my hand like this.
Yeah.
Stop. Just finish.
Yeah.
Then I boo.
Yeah, how about when you drink the milk?
Drink the milk. Oh, that one is very, very,
Yeah.
very syringeable. Not too many. Okay. Because milk from the shop,
Yeah.
it's very good and for.
Yung mana ko syringe.
syringe.
Ela, tahu mana? Panganggo bentar-bentar mana syringe.
Yeah.
Kul tu ambil tereda. Kul itu mau ambil tereda kalau berada.
Iya.
Bitali kental kamu.
Kali kan may panana. Hey, thank you very much. We see you in the showcase today.
Darah mesin anggo. Mesin anggo nusud.
Hey, binabalik Sarah, tuway ko lang naman tayo sigaw tabua.
Right.
They will be participate this afternoon performing on the stage
Right.
from 7:30 to 8:30. Napukoroy from Nangaindamu in Koro.
Yeah.
Mateniling to Namara in Yasawa.
And
Right.
Sinai Phoebe was on stage the other night.
Oh, Tinay Phoebe.
Yeah.
She was there.
Right.
Today is the day
Yeah.
of dancing.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, we will see you
Why
there.
you never run up to the States?
Iya.
I will run today.
Okay.
Maintain and keep some energy.
Run around the stage.
Run around the stage na pwede muri. Punchas, celebrating 90 years. We love you all.
Betul wala cuma tadi sintel di stage. Kita pulang cuma di dua bukan stage.
Kanu naka lefa manu
Iya.
mulu naka.
Benar boleh besar. Bikin benar kata so na wal ningun yang kona.
Dinzar.
So baka ntuli very wale.
Iya.
Eno non riwale wal ningun yang kona na so.
Yeah,
Eh?
you're right.
Kangara itu.
Kaya itu tuh. Kala
Iya.
dora kami minum tabak kasama.
Iyo, eu kau tu kama.
Iya.
Satu abu kamu tambe kamu steady tak ada kasam tamat.
Right.
Ocang untuk dir mbilu.
Oi, di rumah.
Right. Baka mo na kusima.
Warabak.
Iyo, baka mo kusimutu.
Warni
Kalau
lava.
wala kana matagal dir ya.
Warni lava.
Santo untuk membunuh tu kira nanti itu bang ngurut tu dem.
Wani
Yo sa awit tu kabiu.
wani sangka.
Wani sak.
Ya.
Anda itini wale leo bala untuk boleh benak tele bunot so tini ko angkorton timi dawadi.
Oh.
Today is a day mili tini Phoebe.
So.
Tini Faustina and Rebecca. Hey, Andre. Steri Marama, boleh benak. Thank you very much for loving the show this
Alright.
morning.
Yeah.
Like taka hataka siataka on the live because today is the day.
Right.
We will be.
Today is the dance.
Today is the dance. Dance is the day.
We'll shake the stage, eh?
Iya, Newcastle.
Yeah,
Onisiboro.
yeah.
Tombola bubale Marama.
Alright.
Gas us. Andre kasi poni ni binakar bun bengarabi mai ponon sandogorim tanak kana bana buakan beka orto bata kaptul le.
Buana na.
Rex rabo kito bisu sana ba?
Dono.
Bian sebere.
Iya.
Iwal Monday.
Right.
Aka
Eh, kur mundo ko.
Oh, mi kagalo mula.
ngo hamar demes.